Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete all contacts from WhatsApp. So this is actually pretty easy. First you're going to be opening your WhatsApp, and the easiest way is to simply switch your WhatsApp to any other device and switching off the backup option if you want to remove the data, and that's going to be removing off your chats. Or what you can do is simply select these chats individually, or you can swipe them to the left or right side and delete them. So you can see we have this delete option. You can easily select all of these chats and choose to delete them. So this is pretty easy. You can also head over to your settings and remove your storage from this section as well. You can see you have the storage and everything. You can turn that off as well, and that is going to be removing your chats and everything as well. You can basically reset your data from your settings as well. So these are some of the ways that you can utilize to delete all contacts from WhatsApp. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.